Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu states, "We wore the pilgrim garb along with Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. When we reached Makkah Mukarramah, he sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam commanded us to declare this ihram, the ihram for Umrah, and quit the state of ihram, being deprived of following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. This command lay heavy on us and we felt suffocated. The news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows whether he sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam knew it by heavenly revelation or someone of the people intimated him of it. He sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam said, "O people, take off ihram. If I had not had a sacrificial animal, I would also have taken off the ihram." Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says, "We then took off the ihram, practiced qitas with our wives, and performed all those things which those who are not in the state of ihram do, until on the 8th of Zulhajj, we turned our backs to Makkah Mukarramah and pronounced Talbiyah for Hajj." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 2936.